Hello student, welcome to BPPS online classes. Today in this video we will study about the what are the impact of advertising. Means here you will study what are the positive and negative impact of advertising. Okay, you all know that the advertisement are the powerful source which influence our life very strongly. Okay, the advertisement which we watch, sometimes we used to discuss about these brands, these advertisement which are shown on TV channels and which are printed on newspaper, and we used to judge the people according to the brands which are used by them. Okay, and it also affect directly or indirectly in positive or as well as the negative way. Here first we will study what are the positive impact of advertisement. Okay, the advertisement has a positive impact on the economy. It increases the demand for the goods and services. Means these when we use any product which we used to see in the advertisement, that increase the demand of that product in market. If the demand is more in the market, then the supply will be also get increased, and when the supply will get increased, that means we have to produce more and more that particular product. Okay, so these advertisement increase the or boost the economy of any country when we use these goods and services which are shown in advertisements. It helps to develop the healthy competition among the producer that leads to lower price of products. Okay, it means that it helps the healthy competition among the producer, because there are so many varieties of the product which are of the same product that is available in the market, and it gives healthy competition among the manufacturer, and it also helps to lead the lower price or decrease the price of products. Okay, uh, I mean to say that for consumer, that advertising is beneficial as different, because there are so many companies, and these different companies selling the same product offer various discounts or the gift to increase their sales, because this company used to make a lot of new way to sell their products. Like sometime they used to give offer, like when you buy one product you will get one free. Okay, these kind of offers are given by this company, and consumer are made aware of the products and their prices and the positive points enough are positive points through the advertising. They are able to make the right choice by buy the best product at the right price. Okay, and these suppose I'm giving the example, suppose a brand of a soup may have a something free of cost with it. You will see there are so many products, products in the market, and they are found in different brands. Okay, there are so many commodities which we use in our daily life. They are available in the market in different brands, and when we will see the brand which is suitable for us, the price which is suitable for us, we will buy only that product. In this way, these advertisement also help us to choose the any one product from among the so many products, and it also make final decision. It also help us to make our decision to finalize which type of product we have to buy from the market, because we used to see so many advertisement which compares one product to the other product. In this way, this advertisement help us to choose any one product among the so many products, and it also help the consumer to compare the price, which kind of product is that, what is the price of that product, and how it is beneficial for their pocket. Okay, these are the positive points about the positive impact of the advertisement. Now next is negative impact. Advertisement affect the issues of equality in a democracy in so many ways. Okay, on I mean to say that on the one side, the you have studied about the positive impact of the advertisement. On other hand, advertising can create an unhealthy demand for things. Okay, there are so many points by which the issues of equality are destroyed by these advertisements. First point, advertising is very expensive. Producing so many and showing the advertisement in the media requires a lot of money. On other hand, companies have to show the advertisements again and again in that they remain in the people's mind. Only the large company have the money, or the large company can afford the expensive advertisement, or the small businessmen are not able to show these products on TV or national newspaper and magazines. Here the meaning of this paragraph is that there are so many big companies and they have a lot of money to make the advertisement of their product. They can expend a lot of money to make the advertisement of their product, and they can show these ads on different media platform. On the other hand, there are some small scale industries or small scale businessmen. They don't have that much of money to make the advertisement of their products, and that is why they cannot make any advertisement for the newspaper or magazine or for the TV channels. And it shows the discrimination or inequality between the rich businessmen and the poor businessmen. Okay, it so shows the issue. It also raises the equality issue of equality in a democracy. For example, see in the like the persons who make a product like papad, pickles, sweets, jam, etc. in their family or by making a small group, they are not able to make their advertisement of their product because they don't have that much money to make the advertisement. Okay, and their products are considered as a not considered as a branded product because they don't have that much money that they could make the ad of these products. So they used to buy this their product nearby market or near the shop which are located near their houses, or they used to sell their product door to door. Okay, that is about the small business man. Now next point is these advertisements are shown exaggerate the merits of the product. मीन्स जो बहुत सारे एड्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि हमें बढ़ा चढ़ा कर दिखाए जाते हैं, बट व्हेन वी यूज़ दिस product they are very similar to those product which are sold in market in loose. So because of these branded product, there are so many businessmen who are losing their business because they are selling the products in loose. And because of these branded or packed product or brands, there are so many businessmen. They are affected by the these companies, and their livelihood is in danger. Third point is that the advertisement promote the lack of respect for the poor, because there are so many people who are not able to buy this branded product, which show that these people are, means the people who cannot buy this product, they are worthless. Okay, sometimes these ads use our emotion, our personal emotion to show the advertisement as a advertisement. It makes the people who cannot use the brand. Okay, you have seen there are so many ads which used to show the people who cannot buy these products. Okay, it means the advertising uses the personal emotion, and it makes the people who cannot buy these products. For example, like the mother who cannot use the baby soap or baby oil which are shown in the advertisement. They used to feel that they are not giving proper care to their children. Like the example of Johnson & Johnson baby soap and powder and oil, there are some mothers who are not able to buy this product. They think that they are not giving proper care to their child. Next point is that the advertisements are often show the lifestyle of the rich people and famous people, and they cannot show the issues which are related to the poor people, which is related to the common people. So these ads used to forget about the issues of poverty, unemployment, caste discrimination, inequality, and sometimes they used to destroy the human dignity. So these are the negative effect of advertisement. And this was the last topic of your chapter. In next time we will start new chapter. In next video we will study the new chapter of history. Thank you.